Alright, sup folk? Man, I'm driving crazy. So in this video, I'm gonna do a little bit of some brake pads in my girl's Toyota Supra, the Mk5. That car, man, I'm pretty sure it's had factory brake pads on it, and the brakes have been, man, like the wheels, I don't know if you've seen some of the videos or maybe online or in person, like whatever the case is, but her white ass wheels are always have brake dust. And like, it's to the point where like, she could wipe off the wheels and clean them real quick and go somewhere, and by the time she comes back, they're already nasty, they're already bad. So do a couple things. Definitely gonna change these brake pads in this car right now, and also gonna be doing technically an alignment and probably some tire action. So sit back, kick it, and hey yo, where that intro?
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
Life is like a motherfucking dream. Fill my double cup up with some lean. Yeah, put my dick in your bitch plane. Yeah, rats come. You did good, son.
Psycho ward to the mental, I'm a don. In the wards, got the 50 in my rod. Skate the block off them Zannies, so I'm calm. Cuff a lot, bring the damage to my lungs. Ay. Dope smoking, gun toting, I'm a killer's killer. Pill popper, I don't know a lot who really sick em. Full of liquor, cognac drinker, fucking up my liver. Pull the trigger up the thriller to the highest bidder. Ooh la la, what's the vibe, pussy fuck? AK boom, put them in they tomb, take lives just because. Say nah, I'm a 5 from the drugs. Been that hoe, get a bitch some dick, she get off of my nut. She gon' deep throat it till she cry. Got my face tatted on her thigh. Realest motherfucker from the fight. Every meal the last supper when you got. Send me the fucking natty and I'll see y'all in a second. Keys to the fleet with caddy, push to start the 911. Drowdy bitch, you crazy, yeah, they always tryna date me, tryna save me. It's all because I suck her titties like a baby. Make me all you want, better watch your back, I never front. You want problems, I got the bunch, ain't nothing changed except the chunk. Knock the piss out of pussy boy, trust. Snort a 30 off the 40, let it bust. Give me bread, watch how quick I start to duck. I put Fenty on the toe, she put Fenty in my cup. What with all this racket, what the fuck with all this fuss? We be unapproachable, but still they bomb rush. Oh my, suicide, you're that guy. You're that guy who wanna die, what's your side? She a 9, personality borderline. She tried to stand me up, but I dicked her down and bent her spine.
I got corners in the dirty where we straight that belly bobby brown. Never been on trial cause the body's buzzing at the town. Tip it to the feds, man, must be off your meds, man. One less snitch in the gang, that's a net game.
It's the pimp, pay your money, make a body lay, say your prayer. Whole stacking, pistol packing, wipe up with the perm hair. Choppers busy with the busy, I just brought a gold front. To the scissors, I'll go miss out, iced out like a storefront.
Spit that back shit, make the track hit. Ain't no time for a whack bitch, that's the mouth shit. Face down in the mattress, make that back dip. Make a fuck like an actress, end up on the pit.
Ride off in that Benz thing, took off with no trace. Psychopathic with that 9 main, I might catch a case. Mask on, or the mask off, it don't make no difference. Cause I side with them, man, they don't leave a witness.
Touch you tip it to the feds, man, must be off your meds, man. Pissing in his bitch, wanna put that cone to his head, man. Leave him dead, man, save this boy some head pain. One less snitch in a gang, that's a net gang. Man, heard it was the alley you was looking for. Who could jump or see me, what the fuck, I need a best flow.
Had them hoes tweaking like a death stroke. Smoking on that piece, on minus jizz, I'll make that note. Yo, damn, no, they don't beat them boys, I
to see me real quick. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna see me for shit. Alright, so anyways, so the next procedure for putting in fucking brake pads is bedding in the brake pads. And you know, when you just spent, I don't know, probably like an hour and a half cleaning fucking brake calipers and wheels of brake dust, that really sucks, because, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna get back all over them things, boy. You're so yeah, it's very, very unfortunate, but yeah, we're gonna do that shit. I'm gonna cook up these fucking brakes, and you gonna come along on a ride with me, you heard? All right, here we go. And that's roughly how the brake pads wanted to be broken in. Now I'm doing the 5-minute cool down lap it's suggested to do, so try not to touch the brakes at all for the fucking 5 minutes, which that's quite a while. But as it kept going, it felt better and better and better. What sucks is that the wheels are probably still wet, and the fucking yeah, the wheels are probably still wet, and the brake calipers that have a bunch of fucking black crust I couldn't really get off without like going really crazy is also probably like now extra cake, but new hot, new chemical fucking burnt in and all that shit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna do a little 5-minute cool down lap, and then I think that's all she wrote in this one, folks. All right, so as you saw, we a little short video, nothing crazy, but to give it a long story short, short story long, anytime you take your wheels off your car and you're gonna be doing some shit, there's no better time to wash your wheels than when the wheels are off the car, you know what I'm saying? And then to get, man, all that brake dust crust, realistically I should have spent more time trying to get out like all the crevices with like proper brushes and like, you know what I'm saying, like maybe like a pressure washer and like some better chemicals. But man, I just use a little what's it called, what do you call that shit? I just use a little window cleaner and some good old-fashioned elbow grease just to turn that shit up, you know what I mean? My bad. Yeah, so little old-fashioned elbow grease and that just to help clean the calipers, because like you want them to look good, you know what I mean? Now clean wash wheels, you want your calipers to match, so that way, you know, when you're driving around, you stunting, you're flexing, you're looking good, feeling good, you know what I'm saying? So flip the rear tires, because the rear, so the rear has been towed in. Actually, the whole car's been towed in this whole time, front and rear. But the rear, the inside tires are worn. The front tires were so worn that it's to the point where, like you saw in the previous video, that the front tires were so worn, it was separating the tire from the belt, you know what I mean? And those tires were junk ass cheap tires anyway. So we put good ass Michelin Pilot Sport tires back on the front. In the rear, we're gonna let the rear rock until those tires are done. But flip the rears because the insides were worn out, and then, you know, boom, put them to the meat, put the meat back on the inside of them. Because technically the car does have negative camber from it being lowered, and I'm pretty sure I maxed out the rear links for camber on that car. So you can only get so much out of it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we out here, we in them streets, the car's looking good, it's driving nice, you know, it rolls really good after this alignment. Alignment wasn't done by me, but we took it to a place that did it, so that way we could get it like 100% dialed in, you know what I mean? I did the alignment on my GTR, that car drives smooth, it drives straight, it's very comfortable at high speeds, but for that car, it's such a pain in the ass to dial in. My GTR took me several hours to dial it in like that, because I did the alignment, driving around, you know what I'm saying, like that kind of shit. Then like, okay, redo the alignment next weekend, change it, make sure it's right, you know what I mean, like figure out where the finesse is, like where you want it to be. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. As always, merch is in the description. And yeah, man, throw some comments if you like what you're seeing, or you don't like what you're seeing. Talk about that shit, you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm saying, are you cleaning your brake calipers whenever you take your wheels off? You know, probably not. Me, I don't usually do that, but then again, my brake pads also don't create so much dust that it just makes everything fucking nasty as shit. So, you know what I'm saying, step your game up. So what kind of pad you using on your car, fool? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, you're gonna check out right here, baby. Stay sucker free.
So what? Evil spirits taking over, now they running through my head. Telling me grip that fucking gun, telling me pop that.